Okay, if you are still struggling with three-circle Venn diagrams, this is the video for you. The Venn diagram that I've put up for you here is going to be a number of dogs that went to a dog show. And the red circle is going to represent all the dogs that won a red ribbon. And the blue circle is going to represent all of the dogs that won a blue ribbon. And we'll change that to blue. And then down here, this is going to represent in the green circle all of the dogs that won a green ribbon. Okay, so let's take a second to interpret this Venn diagram. Any number that is in the red circle, so if you look at the red circle, highlight the red circle, any number that is in the red circle is a dog that won a red ribbon. Same thing with the blue circle. They're inside the blue circle, they won a blue ribbon. And if they're inside the green circle, then they won a green ribbon. And let me go ahead and add a number here. Say 2. Okay, so let's talk about the first scenario. How many dogs won green ribbons? So like I said, if they won a green ribbon, they're going to be in the green circle. So find your green circle. This whole circle right here is green. That means that any number that is inside the green circle won a green ribbon. So you have the 20, you have the 7, 4, and the 3. So 27 plus 3 is 30, plus 4 is 34. So a total of 34 dogs won a green ribbon. Okay? Okay, the next question. How many dogs won green and red ribbons? So if they won green and red ribbons, that means they have to be inside both the green and the red circle. So where do the green and the red meet? Well, you can find that, and it's easy in this one because they're color-coded. But find where the green, so here's green, and here's the red circle. This is where both the green and the red circle meet. So if you look here at this 3 is inside the red circle and inside the green circle. So we count the 3. If you look up here with the 4, notice it's inside the green circle and it's inside the red circle. So we're going to count the 4. If you look at the 7 is inside the blue circle and the green circle. It's not inside this red circle, so we don't count the 7. And the same thing with the 2. The 2 is inside the red circle, but we're missing the green circle. So how many dogs won green and red? It would be 7. Okay, the next question, we're going to get a little bit more specific here. How many dogs won green and red ribbons only? So that means, if it says only green and red, that means we cannot count any time that there's blue involved. So let's look back at our circles. So here is our green circle. Here is our red circle. So green and red would be here, this 3, and green and red would be here, this 4. But check out this 4 here. The 4 is also inside the blue circle. That means that if it's inside the blue circle, they won a blue ribbon. We don't want anybody who won a blue ribbon. We only want green and red. So the only time we have green and red is here's your green, here's your red, and it's not inside the blue, so it's 3. Green and red only is 3. Okay, our next scenario, how many dogs won all 3 ribbons? So if they won all 3 ribbons, we want to find out where they all 3 intersect. So here's green circle, here's blue circle, and here's the red circle. Well, where do all three circles meet? And that's right here, your 4. So let's look at it without the highlighter. Do you see that all three colors are making sort of that parentheses look to it? So see this 4 here, or see this blue here, and the red here, and the green here are all kind of making this parentheses looking curve. So if they're all three surrounding one number, then that means that animal won all 3 ribbons, or 4 dogs won all 3 ribbons. Okay, so our next question, how many dogs won only a blue ribbon? So here's every dog in this circle, in the blue circle. These are all the dogs that won a blue ribbon. There's 16, 2, 4, and 7. All those dogs won a blue ribbon. But how many of them only won a blue ribbon? Meaning they didn't get a green. So here's the 7 is inside the green circle. They didn't get a red. See, this 4 is inside the red and the green circle. They didn't get a red here. They only got blue. So that's going to be 16. It's only touching, or it's only inside the blue circle. And then our final question is, how many dogs won blue ribbons? This doesn't say only blue. It says how many won blue. So that is the circle blue. Anything inside the blue circle won a blue ribbon. So 16 here won a blue ribbon. 2 here won a blue ribbon. 4 won a blue ribbon. And 7 won a blue ribbon. So everything inside the blue circle won a blue ribbon. So that's going to be 16, and 4 is 20, plus 2 is 22, plus 7 is 29. So a total of 29 dogs won a blue ribbon. I hope this video has helped you, and let's try taking that quiz again.